In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best smart magnetic window cleaners available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the smart magnetic window cleaners list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the smart magnetic window cleaners mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Liectroux HCR09 Window Robot. The Liectroux HCR09 Smart Window Cleaning Robot is designed for high-rise and household glass cleaning. With a powerful suction system and emergency power supply, it ensures safe and reliable operation on windows, mirrors, and even glass doors. Its 5-meter cord allows extended reach, while the compact ABS design makes it lightweight yet durable. The robot doubles as a vacuum cleaner and floor mop, making it a multifunctional cleaning tool. Equipped with CE certification, remote operation, and intelligent path planning, it provides streak-free results with minimal effort, making it a great choice for busy households or offices. Number 4, Haoyunma W140S Glass Cleaner. The Haoyunma W140S Window Washer Robot comes with dual water spray, remote control, and app control for a hands-free cleaning experience. Designed for high-rise safety, it features an anti-falling system and a 4-meter cord for flexible operation. Its square-shaped design ensures better corner coverage compared to round models. The W140S can spray water while cleaning, ensuring streak-free and polished windows. Built from durable ABS material and powered with less than 800 W, it is both energy efficient and effective. With multiple control options, remote, app, manual, it is an excellent choice for modern homes seeking safe, efficient, and effortless glass cleaning. Number 3, Divdeer Spray Window Robot. The Divdeer Spray Window Cleaning Robot is an intelligent high-rise solution with a brushless motor for powerful suction and stability. Designed for double-sided cleaning, it offers strong grip and efficient operation on large windows. The built-in water spray feature ensures effective stain removal, leaving glass spotless and streak-free. Its smart navigation allows it to cover wide glass surfaces with minimal mist spots. Lightweight and compact, this robot is suitable for both home and commercial spaces. Buyers will appreciate its quiet motor, easy operation, and safety features that make cleaning tall windows convenient and risk-free. Number 2, PuRuikai N361 Window Robot. The PuRuikai N361 Home Window Cleaning Robot offers one-key operation for quick and effortless cleaning. Equipped with a 5-meter cord and a safe suction system, it is ideal for high-rise apartments and large glass walls. With less than 800 W power consumption, it balances performance and energy efficiency. Its intelligent sensors guide it along window edges, preventing falls and ensuring complete cleaning coverage. Built from durable materials and CE certified, it provides users with reliable safety and long-lasting performance. Perfect for busy households, the N361 delivers sparkling, streak-free glass surfaces without the hassle of manual scrubbing. Number 1, Chovery CL1 Window Cleaner. The Chovery CL1 Smart Window Cleaning Robot is a premium choice with certifications including CE, CB, RoHS, and UL, ensuring high safety standards. It features an emergency power system, giving buyers peace of mind during operation on high-rise glass. With multiple plug options, US, EU, UK, AU, it is versatile for global use. Its compact 300 by 150 by 120 mm design is built with strong suction and advanced cleaning pads that wipe away dirt, dust, and smudges. Controlled via remote, the CL1 delivers effortless cleaning for windows, mirrors, and even glass doors. Safe, reliable, and highly efficient, it is an excellent solution for modern smart homes.